Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a WeatherGuard 3-drawer cabinet for van shelving. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 903-3-01. It is a 3-drawer cabinet that is used to mount into one of WeatherGuard's adjustable shelves. So if you wanted to add a few drawers to one of your shelves, this is what you're going to get. One thing to note right here on the label is they do put a key code. So RH01. Could tear that off, keep it in the office or something like that in case you ever lose those in your vans. Right on top we have taped our 2 keys. So to make sure you don't miss that, you can see RH01 stamped on those keys. Throw those off to the side. And we have this nicely covered in plastic that's gonna cut down on any scratches or scuffs while it's in transit. And here we go, our fully assembled 3-shelf unit. This is completely enclosed. So spin this around. You can see full black panel on the sides. A couple of other things to note. We have mounting screw locations on the top. And let's take a look at the bottom. Same thing on the bottom. I think these are threaded actually. Yeah, these are threaded. So we got 2 on the front side, or yeah, 2 on the front side and then 4 on the back side. Then let's go ahead and open this up. It's like this does come locked from the factory. We get calls about that sometimes. Keys on the top of the box. To unlock that, if you lose your key, the code of the key is actually stamped on the lock cylinder. Unlock it. There's a little latch mechanism to pull out the drawer, so that's nice because while you're going down the road, it's not gonna come out. You gotta pull the latch to open the drawer. Looks like these are pretty high quality rollers as well. Hold whatever you want to throw at them. I think in the bottom is where we're going to have all of our hardware and such. So, looks like we do have installation instructions for kind of their accessories and cabinets. Shows you exactly how to install this on a shelving unit. It's going to be not really specific for this particular unit, but it's going to be all their little inserts for their shelving. So handy, included right there in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open up our hardware bag, see what we get here. Do get a couple of rubber seals, or not actually 100% sure how this is used. If you're curious, we are going to be installing this in the van behind me in another video, so you can see exactly how we use these later on. Then we also have some spacers right here. 4 of them, 4 longer screws and 4 shorter screws. Usually this is, I believe it's on the bottom or the top to help you clear the shelf lip, because there's, depending on how you mount the shelf, there's gonna be a lip going up, and there's kind of a little cradle for the shelf, or it's gonna be the other way, and this is gonna help you accommodate for that, so you're not gonna have the shelf wobble around within the unit itself. And again, our long screws, our short screws. Looks like we do have a couple of nuts in here, and I'm assuming that is for installing on the top, where you do have access to fit a nut under there. Everything that you need to install right here in the kit. Everything's fully assembled. This isn't an IKEA drawer system where you have to put it all together yourself. It's a high quality build. Again, this is going to be used with those WeatherGuard adjustable shelves. So you're gonna need the shelving unit first, then you're going to install this on the shelving unit. You can also, this isn't going to be the full width of your adjustable shelf. So a lot of times you can do another 2-drawer unit or 2 3s next to each other, or some other type of a system next to it if you want to fill in that space, but you don't have to. You can put in a bin or just leave it open however you want to. Kind of customize your particular shelving units. You can do that. Now, WeatherGuard products, they are covered by a lifetime warranty, so this is going to be covered for the long haul. You're not going to have to worry about any of those manufacturing defects or anything like that that could come up. Now, if you're looking for this 3-drawer cabinet or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.